Welcome to this tutorial video about Excel's AI built-in formula by example feature. A note before we get started, anything we cover today may change tomorrow or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. AI stands for artificial intelligence. AI generally refers to the capability of a computer to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes activities like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. We need to talk about what version of Excel works before we go any further. For this tutorial, only Excel for Web will work. The feature that we are talking about in this tutorial only works in Excel for Web. The desktop Excel apps for Windows and Mac do not have this feature and cannot be used. The file needed for this tutorial is named datafile.xlsx. You can download it from http://tiny.cc/ai-files. Formula by example only works in Excel 365 for the web. To work in Excel for the web, sign into office.com and click Excel. Click Upload. Navigate to the Excel data file and click Open. When you open the Excel file called Data File, you will see several worksheets. The one needed for this tutorial is the Formula worksheet. Formula by example is something Excel recently rolled out to Excel for web users. It looks for patterns as the user enters data in the worksheet, and when it recognizes a pattern, Formula by example offers a formula to fill the rest of the column with the recognized pattern. The data must be in a table for Formula by example to work. It is better than flash fill because suggestions given by Excel are not static text. They are formulas that you can easily change, copy, and reuse. Navigate to the Formula worksheet. We will use Formula by example to find formulas to fill in columns B, D, and G in this table. For column B, we want a formula that gives us the year from column A. We can begin by typing a few examples for Excel in cells B2, B3, and B4. When we get to cell B5, Excel lets us know that it has created a formula that might be useful, so we click Show Formula. Excel shows us the formula suggestion and it looks good, so we click Apply. For column D, we want to have the data from column C formatted with a hyphen between the first three and last three digits. We begin by typing a few examples in cells D2 and D3. When we get to cell D4, Excel suggests a formula. Click Show Formula. Excel shows the formula and we click Apply. Our last example using Formula by example is in column G. Here we want to combine the text from columns E and F and also have the names formatted properly. We begin typing a few examples in cell G2 and G3. When we get to cell G4, Excel has a formula suggestion. Click Show Formula. Excel displays this formula suggestion and we again click Apply. Here is the completed table. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.